What's up, guys? So, this is what I got. Um, just this last plug here. There's one wire. This plug would go, but there's one wire, this brown and yellow wire. Follow it goes to here. Now, I'm pretty sure this is the starter relay. I don't know if that plug might go to something. I don't know. But other than that, I tried to find my keys to see if it'll at least still crank. And of course I can't find my keys. So every other wire got kind of tossed out. Only plugs I'm left with here is, this was the blower, the heater blower, or heater motor blower, however it is. And this was for the reservoir. I'm gonna cut this end off, splice it right to the alternator, because the other part of the harness had a plug that connected into there, and then it would go to its own, sensors and switches and everything else. So essentially, this is just gonna get cut and ran over to the alternator. See, it's on its own fusible link. Cut the one because the one didn't. It went to a plug that I wasn't using, so I was like, fuck that. So, wiper motor, alternator, reservoir, windshield washer reservoir, heater motor. It's the only plug I got left. Besides this one, not sure about that brown and yellow wire yet. If I find my keys and I take that sensor out, I mean not the sensor, I take that out. If it cranks, no, it's cool. That probably must go to something that probably goes inside the cabin, maybe like the starter fuse or something. I don't want to just cut it off. I want to unplug it, see if it starts up or cranks, and then we'll go from there. I'd be fucked if I try starting it, or if it cranks, so I cut the wire, get everything back together again, and then it doesn't work. Like if it trips something inside for it to start, some nonsense. I'm not too sure, but I'm kind of taking my chances on just cutting this wire and see where I'm at. Right now I'm kind of at the point where I'm gonna cut and go and see what's all missing. Oh, this wire here, the voltage regulator. I'm almost positive I need that, but if I can, well, I'm sure I need it because it's there. So I'm just gonna maybe extend the wire and just get like a round connector. As you can see, my harness shed some weight. My harness went on that Bally Total Fitness tip, and whoop, I don't need to be seeing that. Where's the plug at? Here's the plug right here. So, not sure if the plug is still good or not. I doubt it is, but it has been powered. So this green wire here, I'm not really too sure about this green. Maybe ground? Ground's usually black. Not too sure. I'll check my wiring diagram and see what's what. But yeah. So that's kind of my update. Gonna get this button back up in there and have the bait looking cleaner. I mean, it's still kind of dirty. It's still a little dirty and fucked up and everything else, but it's cleaner than what I like before. That's why I like the taping and the loom and everything else. This corner can probably get cleaned up some, but like I said, not really too worried about it. So yeah, that's my update. Stay tuned. Next update will probably be taking out that distributor, getting all like the new MSD stuff in, and wiring up the MSD box and see what we get. Alright guys, later.